Hello teachers, how are you? So today I'm going to tell you that how you can create the team in Microsoft Team, as well as how you can assign the student and teacher to the particular team. Okay, so let's start. First of all, open Google Chrome. One thing I want to tell you, only the Google Chrome browser is the browser which support Microsoft Teams. Please don't open this in any other browser. Okay, so if you have a desktop app, then you can directly fill your ID password there and you can open it there from there also. So now what you have to fill here, office.com, then you will get this portal, or maybe you get the sign in option. I have already signed in, so I'm going to click on Teams. So you can see my account is already logged in, so that's why it directly open this portal. But in your end it will open the sign in window, then you can sign in. So now this is the team, Microsoft Teams. So how you can create the team? First of all, you see this team icon, you have to click over here. Then on this right hand side you will get the option join or create team. You have to click over here, then you have to click create team. Now you see you will get this four options. One is a class, one is a professional learning community, one is a staff, then is a others. Okay, so I'm going to create the team for the class. You have to click class here, then the name of the team. So I'm going to give class 9C because my class is 9C, that's why I'm going to create class 9C. Teachers, please maintain this uniformity. Write in the sentence case C capital, then all small, then 9 should be in the Roman, then hyphen, then the section. So in that way, click on next. Now you see you will get these two options. One is a student and one is a teacher. So first I'm going to add the teachers. If you want to add the teacher, you have to click on the teachers. Then you have to see our whole school data is already available in this Microsoft team, because in the portal they have already put the data. So you just write the name of the teacher, start writing AMAN. Say you see Aman Arya. Okay, but make sure it can find, you see that these are the students 1A. Okay, 1A2 means this is the student. Please, this is display name, this is pre-nursery 7B4. That means please identify in that way. Please don't add a student as a teacher. Okay, so Aman Arya is a science teacher, so I'm going to click. Now the second one is Archana, CHA. So you see Archana Sehgal name automatically comes. Then is a Gaurav sir, Gaurav Sharma. But you see this is the nursery one. So this is only Gaurav Sharma, that is a teacher. Because if you see any display name, the class name is written, that means it's a student. So Gaurav Sharma is a teacher. So I am going to select this. Then we have Paramita ma'am. So this is Paramita Mukherjee, selected. Then is a I'm going to add Preet Jyot Kaur. You see that there is nothing, surname means no else is written over there, nothing else means this is the section, means it's a student, it's a teacher. So select it. Please take care about that while adding, because by mistake if you add the student as a teacher, that means they will getting more access than the student, means they become the owner of the team. So please take care for that. Then is a Rajandeep is here, so you just select it. Then we have Ritu ma'am, because Ritu ma'am spelling is wrong, so that we can change in the admin name later. So I'm going to select here. Then we have Sandeep sir. I'm going to add all the teachers. Sandeep Kumar. Okay, so Sandeep Kaur is also a school teacher. So I'm going to Sandeep Kumar, Hindi teacher. Then is Davinder ma'am, painting. Then we have mine for the computer. Talvinder Singh, I've taken this. Then you can choose add. So you have to click add here. Now you see the teachers is getting added in this. Okay. So now you have to choose the student tab here. Okay. So almost you all have the student list, nominal list is with you. So teachers, you just write the starting character of your student. Let's say mine is Amritpal. So you see Amritpal. This is written 9C1. That means it is 9th class student. So I'm going to choose this. Please, the data is maintained accordingly. You have to see that 7th class student, 7 will be written there. Section is also written over here. So please take care. So Amritpal 9C, I'm going to select this. Then is Ananya, A-N-A. So Ananya will be here. This is 4. So I have C. Ananya Rao is 9C. So I am going to select this. Then is Anurit. Anurit 9C, you can see. I am going to select this. Then I have Arshnoor. So I just Arshnoor. So just scroll down because I have to choose the 9C. So this is the one. I am going to choose this. Then next is say Bhavya. Bhavya T 9C, it came, so I have selected this. Then as a Chirag Malhotra. So Chirag Malhotra 9C is written over there, you have to select that. Then is a Gurjot 9C, yes, I am going to select this. Then is a one new admission, let me check that is available or not. Gursharan. This is the new admission. Gursharan. Yes, you see that Gursharan Preet Singh 9ZZ. So I'm not going to add this right now because I have to clarify about this to Manish sir, or I have to see from the data. But teachers, while adding, you please take care. First you add your all the old student whatever you have. Then after that you add the new one. If you added that a new one, so I think data is added there, but you have to confirm about that so that no mistakes can occur, because sometime as I show you the code is written over there. So this is should be clarified from the Munish sir reception. Okay, I have to clarify that, then only I'm going to add this. So I'm not going to add right now. Please, if you see that new student is not added, please note it down somewhere so that you can clarify if this student is not available in the data, and so that soon we can add that. Okay, so Gurjot, then is a Hasrat. So Hasrat 9C, you see that I'm going to select. Then is a Himanshu 9C, I'm going to select this. Then is a Inika, maybe the spelling is single N. Yes, Inika 9C. Okay, then is a Irsheen, IRSHEEN, Irsheen. So just choose this. Then I have Jagnoor with me, 9C. So up to Jagnoor I'm going to add. Then you can click add button. Okay, so you just click add. So they are going to add the members, then close it. Okay, so now our team is created. So if you see, there is an option manage team. When you click over here, so you see all the teachers are the owner and student are the members of the team. Okay, So students are the members of the team. If you want to mute your student, you can mute it from here also. Okay, so in that way, suppose now I have added till Jagnoor. So after that, if I want to add more student, then you have to click add member, then you can add the member. So it's my advice to you, first add the teachers, because if you add the teachers, because suppose I am going to now click add member, so in that way teacher is already there, so no problem, you can add. That's your wish whether you want to add the teacher. I was thinking the teacher tab was not there by clicking on this, means if we click on this in the future it will not be there, but it is there, so you can use anyone. So I hope this is clear to you. Now if you want to add the channel, click over here, then is a add channel. Add channel means you have to make the channels for all the subject. I'm going to click write English, then as a English is available to everyone, so I'm not going to change standard accessible to everyone on the team, so let it add English. Then you see the channel is created. Now the second one is add channel Hindi. Hindi I'm not going to create because I have to verify which students are opting Hindi or not. So Hindi, that's why if you opt Hindi here, so you have to follow this second one option. Okay, private, then it will demand you to choose the particular student. I'm not choosing this Hindi. Punjabi is compulsory to everyone, so Punjabi I'm going to create Punjabi, add, then is a we have add channel maths or mathematics. It is also accessible to all, so add, then I'm going to create one more channel, click add channel, then is a science, then it is also accessible to everyone, so add, then we have right click add channel, then is a social science, then add, then is a add channel, then computer applications and painting I'm not going to create right now because it is optional subject and we have to specify that subject for the particular students. So I hope this how to create the team, how to add the teachers as well as the student into the team is clear to you. So thank you, have a nice day.